Mala ka chang dar che nyor ka dung din media ka chang wal kel ka pai dok ka ron kin dang rau de jandang rau de bakel agan mak ba ngut gok dung din media be nung lar tin la rodien ga jinu be Sudan ko ne diarate kon ka dung din media ya ga jain ka ne ben ka lain ka audio mi che ke ne ka kor jong na daro cha ko la de women pe ne ben ka lain cha ka te technical issues ine de issues cha ka address cha ka lat public tin kon de pe ne go de ga ben ka lain ke gwa de chuwa bunu no wala ga chang wal kel ka pai dok din media je lu ga line ke audio message la re ko yene ko la de ne te la gor ne wal kiran jo ma la jak mi sharing be share ko be like ko bene no wan ken la ne kon le ko tung no ra ne ba ku da ja akbar kon la ne andung yeni chang ka dung din media en wala ka dung din media ke kwa tang me Jadi min chaga lar ko dung din media jain kan ra ye ka kon ni dial ti chuwa min ba ra jo de wale ba ka tel tuk lar ti lak bar ka tin chi to ko junub Sudan ko kon ni nang ra ke dok ti chuwa min ba ka nung ye balai be zor mu ra ke ku ja ko la ko bo kon ti ka ta ko ndan to ra ya ko ta ko jain cher mala ne ke ne ra ke ye ka situation ko no den dong le state ti la roi ne ke ye ka war gan ni en wala ba ka ra ke ku ja ko bo kon ti ka ta ko ndan ling kon tin te ka nei ngwan te ka tin ngwan de la ti ko ko ta nan to ka ko ngu to ro mo ka ko ko we di ka situation la current situation today sher ka wale so ne ko ne alar ko situation ka ko we ni go ka ku ma ba ro ka ku den wale te be zot kel bro ka ba da ko bram la ling ni situation nan to ka ko ro da palpin ku ne la ro mi che je ko cher ka be like well ako ko de ya nga je we te kor chan rai ku lo ko ka ta chro la ni ka tuk pairo kor ye de tin ko de ya lo cha karet chan rai ka destruction ye la rai lo ko we talk about it wa ni ni wan ka dung dit media cha ga la die chuk no kor cha wana ka ku cha most part of the law cha bal ne cha ba ku mo ken ni dia lo conflicting information te ga la wan tu kwach ti la ko ka mo chare mo ko mo chare mo to ko chete ko mi yin kama ko west kana ko east yin dor mi chwali nyangich kor mo that was a major kor e da ne shu yin ka ko ko wo we ke guwe we tu wa da ko so yin kor mo chana bar ke linga ko da ne yin ge a situation yo leltin e o ne de ko ne tara kor shikete ke shortage of some issues china chike kwa ke na ne ben la so gu me la gu SPL mayo me te ke reamo it was much concern ka ta equipment ne ka te kon de te ke area so je kor mo yin je te ka ta tir kwini dial man me chi gu SPDF but me je kor ro kap chong chero lo nyogori organize chero reinforced chike go toward a coop so me je go toward a coop mo ko ran lenga manu o chike chomna ka outcast of a coop chike chomna dor mi wala we dang we den no chan te dia le yo to garon we den no du ding the ko to de ya o ter dor mi wala de tiel chan galing akbar dia le ro kwit so ka time te ko we den no gen situation na an to ro da ro tin ko me to we den no mo how far they are toward a coop so mi cher ke no message mi de la ne dia lon kon de lenga no a coop o to kon ga no ro wan lenga to me ti kira na coop ngach la tan teje lenga no a coop te ye daro tan gon bran la ke ku ye daro kala ga ye a coop ye re ngo ko ne yo na rol bu ye ro de mo ye re so de dia lo kan kon ba la die o situation ka coop mi lar ga ye ko ne ka ba coop chi me tot biga to kan ta me ba ku je ma ko ra mu gur go bi lenga go abro palpin the situation in an talk, min wa ko pelu back up peeling. So me to go on a station we dang. Number in your we don't know exactly number in wood. Taban we learn water and now we dang. Take an adoption to tot. Take a nas kawalgak. Kawat. So but you we dang. You go on development nepan. Channeling. Development nepan we take a group tot. Room was go one damaro. To low. Make a shoot can and shoot and mannequin. Trade former commissioner. Former commissioner ya kwanye regai me cha wo ja spela mayu me te ka ko bu me ngur ka communication keke ala kwet makwai kwet nyan lew so group mo ro mat kel ge kwet makwai chi yen direct with their sabotage chi ko wa wi dang speed up to wi dang a jogo jin bana yen bana wo kub bana wo re ra ko kub ne de ko re ra kub tra bi nyi ngi jitin na cha kor cha lok espela mai go ro bar to me chap do kon re ke bi won lunjok that was the trick mo shi wo mo te ka bong ne che ka bong re ching la kwar wech te ke the right person ka espela mai wo bi surrender ki ro mat ke again disgruntled thank you ga former executive directors thank you ga current thank you ga de ke defunct generals tijiran de yon je de le fal so no ma chi ye no sho wi dang chi gu wono ma sha gu wono min mo daksa ka kana speed up ko kan ga ti yo how sure they are ko ma bana wa kum nga ko kedi kana de konta ko ko ba na welcome do no call simply you are here you are ngok all the equipment at the bab no ken chwa wuli ne ken chwa etileris to ko ken je ke robai ne ken chwa ga ban ku yir chu nawa so me chi ko chobra ya ka kum chi ko chobna ka mia chi ko nyur brief ka mia and they were trying to dag advance Iraq chi gu me da ne jel ke quit as a civil government ro declare bar we declare chi yen chi wo unimis me chi wo unimis dole adu lo ken ge unimis cha unimis ju kon ko lock your equipment tin a good equipment tin ga lowest ya kam ko ba yer ba ko dir te ga lock ba no which ba sharp ba ko be lo jo ko ye so definitely she unimis den no as we know she unimis ga yo la da mo ye la da because if we do it directly ja intervene ja involve ko your conflict and if it happen take a bureaucracy the request by jagre jubbe bela wojen bela wona ga jinibe that is a bureaucracy we cannot do it so me chawo no ko ja kan ga yuri me ko de kam equipment la loaders and all yuri me se lok so me anga yo yuri me se lok shike yen shike yuri me nyogo jok en wo kon bana daga join operation re aka ko join operation mo ba both one of their disgruntled soldier gar mutually mabil toar pet is well known person ka kan diko ka ta na la teje so ja unimis jone ne ba daga join post ba organize ra kel ke unimis bi kula jal ba cha ba ko lo jo unimis jo that is too early chelan mo go ne you organize we na long you do it alone without our involvement go communication ba me charkeno so go alat kano diarato that was the preparations of the attack she got 5 hours rerak ko chuba ta bangwan ta wal kel ta waro so chuba ga ta bangwan I mean ta wal kel ta waro ta kel ta ro ta dok ta ngwan fa ga yan mai so shwa ka ju rerak taban me ya ju rerak chi getting two word way down cha yer cha nyo ngoken chi ko lo ni gwa de ne pa ne yen ga tin Aromat kagare ken with kuyir wa main niken. That was the development of yesterday evening. Tiang Michorolat. Shakubu Jenien, Teda Spella Maiwu. Up to this morning, Tell Tomi to a co chicken yen, she will quick a chokin. What Conway Spellam is still, Spella Maiwu is still in pump control, Kakobu, and the surrounding area. We talk about the eastern bank of Guinea River. So when we talk about the optical of the river, Kune will take and one leg and Wakobu take a year daro. And they don't know how Jacob could locate come year daro. So year right con yen tame, Malarco and Cha Koba chop, the Babani, and the Woolidini, a year Michal again. Gain, a Nangro shake loan. Nangro shake tor me a yard year, Capibo river, Mokola many river of Akob. Che yard year, Tija Kobu, Che Dangre, Che Dang eastern part, Che Ta Kubu, and Shingakubu, Che Danga western part. Ulu Akubula Kubuton, take a western part of Baro River, I mean of Pibo River, take a eastern part of Guinea River. So Guinea River is very complicated river. Come look at Akubu take a mile. Kulware Raka Kub Mishabal. Te we, te one. So very complicated could at all. Then would be a dear, what effort, be did. Now, what dear at last, because the last day, they are paying 5 years, which were few days. For be a little jal, the Nialba Dam. Me Nialba Dam, Karas, Jongwok. You tell in and out. How cool. Below a year, can a matter. So I mean, no. Again, location and an entire year optical test in a year which will again gain river. And get river complicated. So Malar corner go on a dial corner out go a kubu. A kubu chabu cup, kachuk, and a yen, teach a year walk, to your quick. Catch a time today, and go brand yen, the year a kubu walk, yabo quick. Cotorbieli, Canada Babin. Catch up long a dear. So they tried many alternative. And it's very wrong time. Okay. No, agenda lot con. So when you come to the composition of Jacob Lamor, apart from the Barians, Shima yer karade. Lola Akubu position then, Caspella Mayu and law, okay, Lucio Akubu position then. Staban we know, who core trade a lot, can. That we cannot deny. Sheka Akubu, away were Kumatin, at a ganat, Tijo go Quakur, Quasaftai, not because of water and not Kakur. It's because of water and a joke another one night in ye. For any reason. Kajube, wherever, Mananabor. So now it's all like a ganat ground. So like another Yakurias of tide. She made a corner looking, she got Yakuria there. She made a content simple majority. She could succumb. Can that chocolate come more Canadian content in Quakur of tide. So it's known and pan. Machine the main, the biggest. They content Daga Kuba may already organize, already in Chol Whoop. She got always sneak out. She was joy reception in an outcome as PDF. Right there content like a Garnian Lew, and not quit my quite. Yeah, Kuba, this is a position of quit my quite can a negative jerk. Daga Kubu. That there is no more talk about them. Then a court thing. Come now, okay. So, and which are gano, Chia Kubu Yono Mukwa, their unity, quite consolidate. That we see yesterday, when a deal, Tija Punugami, Kagad, Tija Ganam, Shuki Buini, Tagar was settled with me. They returned back to Akubu. Chugulunga Akubu Kandial. Money general Buini to defend Akubu, Chigabenga Akubu, today. So me a call Mujen, queer, again, Benga Akubu Choke. Shanga 10,000 people. That's why we say Akubu will not be captured. Chabukap. Shanga 10,000 Timaka Akubu Chukin. Chamur. As well as my own Tagakubu. Chabuj. So Michigan, that is our confidence, our position, plus Tanan and Tekon Wanago Akubu, take a firm control of the SPLM Mayu as we are planned. Shetanan, in the Alocon, Tinchinegaland. Again, Murai Konkena Kubu, we talk about the position of one and Hell Tenea Daka Kubu. Here Kubu is still united. Jantana Nagalatku, the element, the Jekte Conte Daka Kubu. Chica Joy Pan, Ararul, Chiro Madadu. So tell her today, Midag Yaku, Midag more. Who can the Ali again? So tell the court. And if we talk about wood and native one, by your age and up for old boy, she never tell it. About old boy is another country. We take regulation, we take a new. She now think a mic. We take a low airport. About all about an old boy, there's another much cowboy. We should ever talk. Manishan Calgorello, Yen, and my Ken walk and when you were never old boy, young, you lie a drop. It is a matter of we should all take a problem around Bagad, Bagay, Fuch, to Ethiopia. Woon, they still a man in Akubu. Akubu is in the last pocket. In the last pocket. Kalo. Kuun and me got the alam you get up. Barakul Akubu. So the last battle, Kalo Akubu. So they much more in the confusion, they know abandon, plus Chaka wine up. She did the Al Chicago. Now they are in position in Akubu that they will protect Akubu. So now, again, in they could summarize about the situation of Akubu, and in summary, Chairman Ariagalat, who are Akubu this morning, Banani and Kantiangame, Kate 11 go Paidoc, take a pump control of the SPLMIO, look at Tacha near SPD Abratin Pan, Kate 10. So, Marauda, a one to conduct Akubu location, and the reason why people are confident, go but time for organization, as what is happening now, Edu year, Chako situation year mo, Chakolat. Go share right time for any person, go be year Mwengo, Bawaka. So, Mr. Gano, can the Alan Condé do you care what time we're going to media? Lana go yelling with the Allah warning when called Winjok, Kuchanalan, and that Baron one Kegwa, but take Kusha war. Shukran.